Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Thursday, August 18th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's start this morning by taking a quick look at the Nasdaq Composite, but before we do that, stocks edged higher on heavier trading volume yesterday, closing near their highs for the day. That noted, both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 continue to struggle with recent resistance areas. For the Nasdaq, that's in the 5232 area, for the S&P 500 in the 2175 range. Volume, while below average, was above the prior day, giving both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 accumulation days. Accumulation is a trading session where one of the major averages trades higher on heavier trading volume than the prior day, and is an indication of professional buying in the market. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P remains on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market with 5 distribution days on both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Distribution, or professional selling in the market, is beginning to be a concern for the bulls. Too much distribution over a short period of time can indicate that an uptrend is in trouble. Wednesday, advancing issues edged decliners by about a 10-9 margin. New highs bettered new lows, but the margin is slipping and our new high, new low indicator switched to a sell signal on the market yesterday. That noted, while the new high, new low indicator is typically one of the first to signal a change in the market direction, it's often premature and subject to false signals. Large capitalization stocks bettered small yesterday, but small continued to outperform on a 10-day moving average basis. The bulls prefer to see small caps outperform. We remain on a buy signal on both the S&P and the Nasdaq, but continue to struggle with significant resistance levels. It looked earlier this week as if we may have bettered those levels, but until we decisively put that resistance behind us, it's hard to make an extremely bullish case for this market. We're overdue for a correction, but for now, we'll watch and wait for the market to pick a direction. Traders can be fully invested, but as always should have stops in place and current. Okay, yesterday the Nasdaq was up 1.55 points or 0.03%. We closed right at the top of the daily trading range, which is bullish. But significantly, we blocked at resistance up here in the 5232 area. That's been fairly significant resistance for this market for a couple of weeks now. Trading volume yesterday was higher than the prior day. That gives us an accumulation day. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market, have been since June 30th. We have 5 distribution days on the market in the past month. And that's beginning to be a little bit of a concern. The more distribution we have over a short period of time, the more pressure there is on the market to correct. Our market timing signal is on a buy. Right now the Nasdaq appears to be bracketed by, let's call it support at this long-term trend line. This trend line goes all the way back to the beginning of the bull market back in 2009. And has offered significant resistance and support over the past couple of years. If we were to break below that, the next significant area of support is going to be down here in the 5165 area. And as we mentioned, we have resistance up here in the 5232 range. Let's see what the S&P 500 is up to. S&P yesterday was up 4.07 points or 0.19%. We closed at 2182, closed right at the high for the day, and significantly we actually held support here in the 2175 area. That area has proven to be significant resistance and support. We've struggled with that area for going on 4 weeks now, and it would be nice to see the S&P put that area decisively behind it. Trading volume yesterday was just a shade higher than the prior day, giving us an accumulation day. We are on a confirmed uptrend in the S&P 500, and we have 5 distribution days over the past month. Distribution's beginning to add up and is a bit of a concern. Our market timing model is on a buy signal. The the S&P 500 continues to struggle with resistance here in the 2175 area. While we're trading above that area and that area is acting as support, we still haven't decisively put that behind us, and we're going to continue to call that resistance. Let's take another quick look at the Nasdaq Composite. Yesterday, while the Nasdaq Composite did close right at the top of its daily trading range, it closed below its 5-day simple moving average, which we show here in pink, but above its 10-day simple moving average, which we show in green. The 5-day is trading above the 10-day, but the fact that we've broken down below the 5-day simple moving average changes our swing timing model from a buy long signal to a trending negative signal. Trending negative simply means swing traders can continue to add, but they want to be a little bit cautious here. We had no changes to our swing trading holdings yesterday. For more information on swing trading, please contact me. My contact information is on the home page. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call. Drop me an email or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.